Hello everyone. Welcome to episode 4, How to Stop Playing Small and Step into the Bigger Version of Yourself. Welcome back to How to Win in Life. Today's episode is about a silent habit that keeps talented people invisible, playing small. And we are not just talking about staying quiet in meetings or underpricing your work. We are talking about how you carry yourself daily, how big your goals are. Let me introduce you to a character called Anjali from a real world example.
A smart woman who shrunk herself. Anjali was brilliant, Ivy League grad, great ideas, but every time she got recognition, she'd brush it off. Oh, it's nothing. I just got lucky. Anyone could have done it. She kept herself out of the spotlight, literally declined speaking gigs and mentorship opportunities. One day, her mentor asked her, Anjali, why are you shrinking to fit in rooms? You should be leading. That hit her like lightning. She realized she wasn't being humble, she was being scared. Scared of being seen, scared of being judged, scared of what success might demand from her. That moment began her transformation. Today, Anjali is a keynote speaker and runs a leadership program for women in tech. Same skill, new self permission. So, why do you think people play small? Mainly because of four reasons: fear of judgment. What will they say? Fear of success. What if I can't handle it? Fear of outgrowing people. Conditioning. Don't show off, be modest. This is what our parents taught us. But here's the truth: you don't inspire anyone by hiding your light. So, I will guide you as to how to audit when you feel you're playing small. Ask yourself, where am I avoiding visibility? Is it in office? Is it in society? Is it amongst your friends? Where am I undercharging? Where am I staying quiet when I should speak? Write down 3 areas where you have been shrinking. Step 2: shift from fear to responsibility. Playing small isn't just about you, it affects others. When Anjali declined speaking gigs, she was also denying other women the courage to follow her. Your growth has a ripple effect. When you grow, you give permission to others also to grow along. So ask, who gets inspired when I stop playing small? No one, right? Step 3: use the power pose ritual. Before any high stakes situation, a meeting, a pitch, a tough conversation, stand in a power pose for 2 minutes. Feet apart, shoulders back, deep breath. Psychologists call this embodied confidence. Your body tells your brain, we belong here. Do it before you enter any room where you feel like playing small. Step 4: say yes to the bigger room. Start saying yes to things that scare you, that speaking invite, that client above your current level, that post you have scared to publish. You don't grow confidence first, you grow by doing scary things with shaky confidence. Let me spotlight a listener, Raj from Mumbai. Raj used to end every sentence with, if that makes sense. He always undercut his ideas. After hearing 2 episodes, he decided to own his voice in the next team meeting. He pitched a new marketing strategy, and guess what? His boss said, why didn't you speak like this earlier? Now Raj leads the team, all because he stopped playing small. Here's the final challenge: Tonight, write this line in your journal. If I stopped shrinking, I would dash dash dash. Then finish the sentence in 10 ways. Let the bigger version of you speak. And tomorrow, act like that version in one decision. That's the version who wins. This is how to win in life. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in episode 5.